Good morning, student. Yesterday, I taught you about external structure. External structure, I hope you will understand. You can understand about it. This is, biology of standard 10. This is biology of standard 10. In biology, you are studying about heart, structure of heart, internal structure of heart. Today I am going to teach you about internal structure of heart. In internal structure, the two orchil are arteria are thin walled. Two orchil are arteria are thin walled and are separated from each other by a thin interarterial septum. The right atrium receives venous blood means deoxygenated blood from the entire body through a superior and inferior vena cava. Through a superior and inferior vena cava, a sinuauricular, you can write insert, yes, a sinuauricular node is present near the opening of the superior and inferior vena cava. A similar node, arterioventricular arterioventricular node is present the right, near the right border of interauricular septum. The left smaller atrium receive oxygenated blood, mean pure blood, from the lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. The two orchil arteria are separated from the ventricle by two aperture guarded by membranous valve. The valve separating the right atrium from the right ventricle, that is called right arterioventricular valve or tricuspid valve, and made up of 3 flaps. The valve separating the left atrium from the left ventricle, is called left arterioventricular valve or mitral valve, formed of 2 flaps. These valves are attached with the cords with papillary muscles of ventricular valve. These valves allows the blood flow only from auricle to ventricle and not in the opposite direction. Okay, see, both the ventricle are separated from each other by a thick interventricular septum. The wall of the left ventricle is much thicker than that of right ventricle. Why? Because it receives blood at high pressure. The left ventricle pushes the blood into aorta. Left ventricle pushes the blood into aorta, which supplies the blood to the entire body. The opening of aorta is also guarded by a A valve formed of three semi-lunar flaps. The right ventricle pumps venous blood into the lungs by a pulmonary aorta. Its opening, is also guarded by a thin wall. Guarded by a valve having three semilunar flaps. These valves allows the flow of blood from ventricle into the aorta and not in opposite direction. Okay? The cardiac muscles of the heart rhythmically contract and expand without feeling fatigue. I hope you will understand about internal structure of heart. Today's homework, write a short note on internal structure of heart. Thanks.